Ever wondered how crucial rapid tunnel construction is in today's fast-paced world? Tunnels are vital arteries in our global transportation system, connecting cities, countries, and even continents. However, traditional tunnel construction can be a slow and arduous process. It's a race against time, battling against geological uncertainties and environmental constraints. Enter technology. The marvels of modern engineering are transforming the way we dig, making tunnel construction faster and more efficient than ever before. From hydraulic excavation to smart progress monitoring systems, heavy machinery design innovations to rapid injection techniques, technology is revolutionizing tunnel construction, turning what was once a time-consuming task into a swift, streamlined process. But speed is not the only factor at play. Safety, reliability, and cost-effectiveness are equally important. Balancing these factors is a challenge, but with the right technology, we can overcome these challenges and accelerate tunnel construction, shaping the infrastructure of the future. Hydraulic excavation technology has seen significant advancements in recent years. This technology uses pressurized water to break down soil and rocks, making it an efficient and environmentally friendly option for tunnel construction. A key improvement has been the development of high-pressure hydraulic systems that can dislodge even the most stubborn of materials. Furthermore, modern hydraulic excavators are equipped with advanced control systems. These systems allow operators to precisely control the water pressure, ensuring the optimal balance between speed and safety. Another game-changing innovation is the integration of automation. Automated hydraulic excavators can operate round the clock, significantly reducing project timelines. Moreover, the evolution of hydraulic excavation techniques has allowed for a more targeted approach to tunnel construction. By focusing the water pressure on specific areas, we can avoid unnecessary disruption to the surrounding environment. Such advancements in hydraulic excavation technology are truly revolutionizing tunnel construction. Keeping track of progress in tunnel construction is no small feat. It's like trying to navigate a labyrinth in the dark with a ticking clock. But thanks to smart progress monitoring systems, this daunting task is now a breeze. These advanced systems offer real-time insight into the construction process, allowing for swift tracking of progress. Imagine a system that works tirelessly, day and night, keeping an eagle eye on every nook and cranny of the tunnel. It detects even the smallest changes, alerting the team to potential issues before they escalate. This not only helps in maintaining the quality of work, but also in avoiding costly delays and reworks. Moreover, these systems provide data that can be analyzed to improve project timelines. By identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies, teams can make necessary adjustments, ensuring smoother and faster tunnel construction. Truly, in the world of tunnel making, advanced monitoring systems are proving to be game changers. Innovation in heavy machinery design is making a huge difference in tunnel construction. The key to this revolution lies in the marriage of technology and engineering. Let's take a look at how this synergy is reshaping the industry. A major stride forward has been the development of machinery with enhanced maneuverability. Compact and robust designs are enabling machines to navigate through challenging terrains with ease. This means fewer interruptions and maximum uptime. Moreover, integrating smart technology into machinery has led to significant performance improvements. Advanced sensor systems, for instance, are providing real-time data, enabling operators to make informed decisions and adjustments on the go. Additionally, energy-efficient designs are not only reducing operational costs but also contributing to environmental sustainability. The focus on user-friendly interfaces is another game-changer. With intuitive controls and automation features, operators can focus more on the job at hand, reducing errors and increasing productivity. These design innovations are making tunnel construction more efficient than ever. Enhancing the stability of the surrounding soil and rocks is a key aspect of tunnel construction. Think of it as setting the stage for a grand performance. The spotlight here is on rapid injection techniques. They work like magic, swiftly solidifying the ground around a tunnel, making it safe and secure for the construction to proceed. Picture a chef icing a cake. The cake needs to be firm enough to hold the icing, right? In a similar way, injection techniques are used to stabilize the ground, making it strong enough to withstand the construction process. These techniques involve injecting a blend of cement and other materials into the soil. This mixture, once hardened, acts as a supportive skeleton, enhancing the strength and stability of the surrounding ground. The beauty of rapid injection techniques is that they are fast, efficient, and remarkably effective. They save time and resources, enabling faster tunnel construction. In essence, rapid injection techniques are vital tools for accelerating tunnel construction. Subsurface construction technology is another area where innovation is making a significant impact. This realm of technology is transforming how we approach tunnel construction and how we navigate the challenges of the underground world. By using advanced imaging and mapping technologies, we're able to gain a comprehensive understanding of the subsurface environment before we even begin to dig. This allows for more accurate planning and reduces the risk of encountering unexpected obstacles during construction. Moreover, automated drilling machines powered by AI and robotics are now capable of performing precise excavation tasks, reducing human error and increasing the overall speed of construction. These machines are designed to work in unison, creating a harmonious flow of operations that is a sight to behold. Additionally, innovations in material science are providing us with stronger, more resilient construction materials that can withstand the harsh conditions of the subsurface environment. This not only ensures the longevity of the tunnels, but also speeds up the construction process. Subsurface technology is indeed paving the way for faster and more efficient tunnel construction. Balanced construction techniques are playing a crucial role in speeding up tunnel construction. These techniques revolve around maintaining a balance between the excavation and support phases of tunnel construction. The idea is to synchronize these processes to avoid any downtime and increase the overall efficiency. Imagine a seamless relay race where the baton is passed without any hiccups. From the use of tunnel boring machines which simultaneously excavate and install concrete linings to the implementation of new Austrian tunneling method which adapts to the geological conditions, these techniques are revolutionizing the way we build tunnels. They not only speed up the construction process but also ensure the safety and stability of the structure. In addition, these techniques also minimize the environmental impact by reducing ground settlement and vibrations. This makes them a preferred choice for urban areas where minimizing disruption is a key concern. Balanced construction techniques are indeed an important factor in accelerating tunnel construction. Drones are not just for recreational use anymore. Today they're revolutionizing the field of tunnel construction. These flying marvels provide a bird's-eye view, allowing project managers to monitor construction progress in real time and inspect even the most hard-to-reach areas of a tunnel. But that's not all. Drones equipped with advanced sensors and cameras can capture high-resolution images and even 3D scans of the tunnel interiors. This data can be analyzed to detect potential structural issues or safety hazards well before they become critical. Moreover, drones can perform these tasks much quicker than human inspectors, thus saving valuable time and resources. They also enhance worker safety by reducing the need for personnel to physically enter potentially hazardous areas. In essence, drones are transforming the way we monitor and inspect tunnel construction, making the process more efficient, safer, and cost-effective. In this rapidly evolving field, drones are proving to be invaluable assets in tunnel construction. The use of fast-setting Readymix concrete technologies is another game-changer. Imagine a world where concrete hardens in a snap, allowing for swift progress in tunnel construction. Well, that's not just a dream anymore. Thanks to fast-setting Readymix concrete technologies, these innovative solutions offer a myriad of perks. They not only expedite the hardening process, but also minimize the time spent waiting for concrete to set, thereby reducing overall project timelines. Moreover, they ensure a high-quality end product, providing a robust and durable structure that stands the test of time. Another key advantage of this technology is its versatility. It can be used in a variety of applications from lining tunnel walls to constructing support structures. Its quick-drying nature also means that work can continue uninterrupted, enhancing productivity and efficiency. The future of tunnel construction is here, and it's moving faster than ever. Fast-setting concrete technologies are indeed speeding up tunnel construction. Project management is another area where technology is making a big difference. As we delve into the world of tunnel construction, it's clear that timely completion of projects is crucial. Managing multiple facets of these large-scale projects can be overwhelming. This is where innovative project management technology steps in. Advanced software allows for real-time tracking of project milestones, ensuring tasks are completed on schedule. It also enables seamless communication among team members, eliminating misunderstandings and delays. These technologies provide a comprehensive view of the project, identifying potential bottlenecks and facilitating swift resolution. They also aid in resource allocation, ensuring optimal use of manpower and machinery. Moreover, predictive analytics integrated into these systems can forecast potential issues, allowing for proactive measures. In essence, project management technology is revolutionizing the way we approach tunnel construction. By enhancing organization and efficiency, it's playing a pivotal role in accelerating project timelines. Innovations in project management are significantly improving tunnel construction timelines. As we're nearing the end of our deep dive into the fast-paced world of tunnel construction, we'd like to take a moment to remind you, if you found this video informative and want to stay updated on the latest in tunnel construction technologies, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. Remember, knowledge is power, and by subscribing and liking, you're ensuring you stay powered up on the cutting edge of tunnel construction. So go ahead and hit those buttons. Stay tuned for more enlightening videos on the fascinating world of tunnel construction technologies.